Hello again. Today we're going to be taking a look at Investigation 5 from Chemical Interactions, which is called Energy Transfer. And Part 1 of Energy Transfer is mixing hot and cold. So this is going to be set up pretty similar to the Inkets experiment that you did the other day. We're going to have a volume of water that is 10 degrees Celsius. And it is going to be mixed with another equal volume of water that is 50 degrees Celsius. Now in the Nearpod just before this, you guys predicted what you think the temperatures will be when we mix these two liquids together. So now we're going to take a look at what the actual temperature will be when they're mixed. So we'll put one of them in the hot cup, and we'll mix the second one in the hot cup. Remember, these are equal volumes of 10 degree and 50 degree waters. And let that sit there for a moment and measure out the temperature, which is equaled out to 29 degrees Celsius. So if you guessed anywhere near 29 degrees Celsius, you did a pretty good job. And my guess would be that you understood your Inkets investigation pretty well. So how does the final temperature compare to your prediction? If you didn't predict anywhere near the 29 degrees, think about why you predicted what you predicted. And would you change anything about your prediction? And why would you change something about your prediction?